Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the FPGA driver light sensor. So the first things, let's take a look at the light sensor module. This is the light sensor module. Okay, so it's this one. So this one is the light sensor. Okay, this is the light sensor, like this. And this module has 4 pins. The first pin is VCC. Okay, it's power supply. The first pin is power supply. The second pin is ground. The third pin is digital signal output. The last pin is analog signal output. The analog signal is output the voltage, and the digital signal output is output the 1 or 0. And this one is a power LED. This one is a digital signal output LED. And this is adjustable register. It can adjust the sensitivity of the ball. And this ball is LM, and this IC is LM393. So let's take a look at the data sheet of it. So this is LM393 is a comparator. Okay. For the light sensor module, we use digital signal output to connect our FPGA board, 1 pin on our FPGA board. And this is ground, and this is VCC. Okay. So next step, let's take a look at the code, how we get the signal from the light sensor. Since we only use the digital signal, we coding like this. So we still use our LED hello world examples used for our FPGA driver light sensors. So this is light sensor in. Okay, so this is light sensor in signal, digital signal. This is the LED. Okay, and this is output the digital signal from the light sensor module to our LED. Okay. So next step, let's power on the board and download the code. Okay, you will see I already power on the board and download the code, and here there is 2 LED is turned on. So this is power LED, and this is digital signal output LED. And on our board, our LED on the FPGA board is still off. So the next step, I will use my finger to cover the light sensor to isolate the light. You will see here the LED on my board is turned on, and the LED on the sensor board is turned off. And then let's move the finger. Take a look. You will see the FPGA board LED is turned off. The light sensor LED is turned on. Try it again. Okay, move, cover, move, cover, move. Okay, so that's it. So this is a simple light sensor module, and the code is also very simple, and it's very fun and interesting. So I'm Michael. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.